Bonjour, my name is Faye. Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole with Faye. Today I'm going to teach you 5 ways how to say "you funny" in Haitian. In Haitian Creole, there are many ways to say to someone "you're funny." If I want to be very informal and I'm chatting to one of my friends, I can say "ou c'est yon radotè." Ou c'est yon radotè. Ou c'est yon radotè. That basically means you're funny. If you want to be polite, you can say ou c'est yon odyansè. Ou c'est yon odyansè. Ou c'est yon odyanse. That means you're funny. You like to joke around, but it is more polite than ou komik. If I am talking to someone my age, I can say ou komik. Ou komik. That simply means you are funny. Ou komik. Joke, the way you say joke in Haitian Creole is blage. So another way to say you are a jokester, you can say ou c'est yon blagè. Ou c'est yon blagè. You like to joke around. You're funny. You can also say ou c'est yon betizè. Ou c'est yon betizè. You like to joke around a lot. Ou c'est yon betizè. I can never tell if you're serious or if you're joking. So in that case, you can say ou c'est yon betizè. You're funny. If you like our videos, and the best way to support the channel is to share our videos on social media. If you decided to do so on Instagram, please tag us because we would love to know who's sharing the videos. And until next time, goodbye.